Hi YouTube, what's going on? Back today again with another finance video, and in today's video we're going to be discussing all the dividends that I've earned so far. This is going to include a deep dive into all the dividends that I've earned from every stock through the month of November. We're going to dive straight into my Wealthsimple Trade portfolio, and I'm going to show you every stock that's paid me a dividend and exactly how much that dividend is. I started this journey to financial freedom back in February this year, and I've noticed a steady increase in dividends month by month. And November has been no different. I'm really excited with how things are going, and I'm predicting December is going to be my best month yet. So if you're interested in watching my journey to financial freedom and you want to pick up some tips for your own journey, make sure you smash that like button and hit subscribe. I'm going to be documenting everything on YouTube, from the dividends I've earned to the stocks that I buy and sell. After we look at my Wealthsimple Trade portfolio, we're going to jump in the Google Sheets spreadsheet that I've made. I've created a graph from back in January this year showing exactly how much dividends I've earned per month for every month of this year. This graph has been a really good way of tracking my progress, so make sure you stay tuned for that. For now though, let's dive straight into my Wealthsimple Trade portfolio and take a look at each and every stock that's paid me out a dividend. I just want to quickly point out before we get into my dividends that the stock market is having an absolutely crazy day today. Well, my portfolio is anyway. I'm up $246 or 2.03% just today, and the day's not even finished yet. If you'd like to see a deep dive into every single stock that I have in my portfolio, I also do videos on this. I'll link the video in the description below. Let me know in the comments how your portfolio is going too. And one last thing before you move on to all the dividends that I've earned, I just want to point out that if you haven't set up an account with Wealthsimple Trade yet, I couldn't recommend it more. It's really simple to use. There's no fees. Yes, that's right, 0 fees. It costs no money to buy and sell stocks on the Toronto Stock Exchange. So it's just perfect for beginners. It's not going to cost, like a lot of banks here, I know TD Investing costs $10 per trade. With Wealthsimple Trade, you can buy and sell stocks for no cost whatsoever. And if you haven't set up an account yet, I'm going to leave a link below, and if you click on that link and set your account up through that link, you'll earn a free $10, and I'll earn a free $10 too once you deposit and trade $100. So yeah, big shout out to everyone so far that's done it. All these people here have all used my link and have all got a free $10 to trade with. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks very much. So yeah, if you want a free $10 and you want to shout out my YouTube channel and you haven't set up a Wealthsimple Trade account, I honestly couldn't recommend them more for beginners. Get on it, click the link in the description below. Now, let's have a look at all the stocks that have paid me a dividend in the month of November. So I'm going to quickly run through all the dividends that I've earned both in the month of October and the month of November, because I know I haven't covered all the dividends that I've received in the month of October. So we're going to start off at the bottom here. Thales paid me a really nice dividend here, $5.83 on October 1st. Thales is like a Wi-Fi communications company here in Canada. ZEB, it's like it's an ETF that consists of all the big banks here in Canada. They pay their dividends monthly. I received $1.20. Riocan is a real estate investment trust. They pay their dividends every month. I received $2.88. VDY is an ETF. They again pay their dividends every month, $3.14. VRE is an ETF, a real estate investment trust ETF. So it's $1.74. By the way, an ETF is just a stock that consists of many different companies all in the one stock. Bank of Nova Scotia, I'm a massive fan of the banks here in Canada, as I keep banging on about in the videos. They paid me a massive dividend here, $9 on October 28th. Shaw Communications is another Wi-Fi company here in Canada. They paid $1.68. They again pay every month, which is great. I love monthly dividends. It's great it's great to get payments each and every month. It really keeps you motivated and keeps you focused on what the end goal is when you're getting payments each and every month. XRE, this is another real estate investment trust. They pay monthly $1.25. XHD, this is a position I just recently bought just a few weeks ago, and it's been doing great ever since I bought it. They paid a dividend out of 87 cents. So here we get on to November. TD, Toronto Dominion Bank, probably my favourite bank out of the big 6 banks here in Canada. They paid a massive dividend here, $9.48. They pay every quarter. ZEB, there's that one again. They pay every month, $1.20. Riocan pay every month, $2.88. VDY pay every month, $2.03. VRE pay every month, $1.74. General Dynamics, they pay quarterly. They're an American company. And they paid a nice dividend there of $4.35. And then Apple, everyone knows who Apple is. They paid a dividend of $1.35. Now I am expecting to get a few more dividends here at the end of November, but I'll update you with that in the next dividend video. For now, let's look at my spreadsheet that I've drawn up on Google Sheets. It'll give you a much better understanding just as to how my dividends are going, and you'll be able to see the gradual increase of dividends since I started investing. And here we have all the dividends that I've earned since I started on this journey to financial freedom. The first thing I'd like to point out is the total. I very recently just cracked the $200 mark, so I've earned $203.14 in dividends in total. Now, the number one rule when you're a dividend stock investor is to reinvest the dividends. I can't stress just how crucial this rule is. If you take them dividends out and spend it on groceries, spend it on your phone bill, spend it on going for a few pints, whatever you want, then the compound interest isn't going to take effect, the snowball effect as I like to call it. If you reinvest all the dividends you earn, you're going to see more and more dividends come in as the months and years go on. So yeah, I just can't stress that enough. Make sure you're reinvesting your dividends. So as we can see here in January, I earned nothing. I don't even know if I had actually made my first investment or bought my first stock in January. In February, I earned 6 cents. I just started investing. March, 86 cents. April, $8.78. May, $7.92. June, $43.71. July, $25.37. August, $15.11. September has been my best month so far, $50.71. October, $27.59. And in the month of November, $23.03. I'm expecting maybe to get a few more dollars on top of that before November's over. I'm very excited about December. I've read that December is the best month when it comes to earning dividends for all dividend investors. It's the end of the quarter, and as you can see, so June was the end of a quarter and September was the end of a quarter, and they've been my best month so far. In September I earned $50, so I'm expecting December to be more than $50. How much more? I'm not too sure. We'll have to wait and find out, but I'm very excited. If you're enjoying this content, make sure and do me a massive favor and drop a like. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. If you're also a dividend stock investor like myself, leave a comment underneath and let me know how your portfolio's going. Let me know how much dividends you've earned in the month of November, and I'll get back to you. I hope everyone enjoyed that, and I hope everyone's excited to see how much dividends I earned in the month of December. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're also excited to see how much dividends I earned in December. This channel is called Invest in the Rockies, and I live here in the Rocky Mountains, and I do videos on everything to do with finance, from stock markets to dividends, and also my life here in the Rockies. So anything to do with camping, climbing mountains, snowboarding, all that type of stuff. So if you have any interest in either or, make sure and you hit that like button and you hit that subscribe button. I hope everyone enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take it easy.